Okay, so today we have a Bell 12mm bicycle lock, U-shaped. This particular model, see if I can get it to show you here. As you can probably see, has what they call a dimple key. I don't have a copy, of course, but you can see that the pins here retract down into the side of the cylinder. The problem being is that some of these set so high that I can't actually get my flag tool into the lock. Doesn't work. Same thing for a normal dimple rake. Doesn't seem to work. I do have an ultra low profile dimple rake, and as you can probably see, it's got some very small bumps on it that we can use to activate those pins. This particular lock is pretty finicky, in fact. It will not actually allow you to move any of these pins with more than minimal tension on it. In fact, you can't even get the tool into the keyway. By using an ultra-light tension and slowly raking over these pins, we should be able, and there it is already, to get a set. As you can see, as any normal shackle lock, there's just a small piece right here that sits inside these grooves. So, as you can see, not a terribly secure lock. This one was pulled off of a street sign. No bike attached, of course. Been there over a year. Anyway, if you're going to buy a bike lock, I think you can do better.